Okay, any video ideas at all whatsoever?
No.
You have nothing at all, Anthony?
No.
How do you have nothing, Anthony? Okay.
Actually, we do a video every time we're together. Do we have to do a video?
I mean, we could go on like an adventure.
An adventure?
That could be fun.
But where?
That's good. Where? And who is there to ask? Josh Demersman!
Yeah.
Where's Josh?
Good question.
You know, we could go outside. It's just a suggestion.
Snowstorm adventure.
Yes! I mean, not that I care. I didn't really want to go outside, but okay.
Tucker?
Jake
I think F-Spot
is done charging.
Hey guys! How do you feel, F-Spot?
Anthbot can't see.
I'll get him glasses, man. Come on.
You're okay, my child.
So what do you want to do now?
Anthbot will say racial slurs.
No, shut him off!
No, turn him off, Did you guys do Anthbot again? Ain't I a stinker?
Alright, boys. Adventure is out there.
Wait, watch out for the dog.
Oh, the puppy.
Damn, guys, the streets are kind of boring.
Let's go to the woods.
Let's go to the woods.
We are the Penis Bandits!
Bandits!
Penis Bandits unite!
Yeah.
This way to adventure! Yeah.
Woo! Ah, shit. Problem has arisen. Where the hell is Josh?
Oh shit. Guys, we need to find Josh.
You damn right.
Yeah, I am. Damn right.
It's actually really cold out, guys. Guys, look over there. Is that the abominable snowman?
Oh dear. Shit.
Let's go get it. Tucker! Tucker, guys, wait, stop! I don't think that's the abominable snowman! I think that's Josh!
Oh god.
Josh! 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 I think we lost him. Are we even on the right path?
Here's our footprints.
Oh, let's keep going.
This is scary.
There he is!
Josh. He's cute.
Well, this sure was a snow adventure. See you next time.
Well, I'm full. It appears someone's eyes are too big for their stomach.